Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the Aussie US dollar, it really hasn't made that big of a move down. And honestly, it looks like it made a one, two, three-way pullback. We have to be careful with assuming that this really is going to go down in a big way because the trend is definitely still up on the higher time frames. We made three waves down, so there is definitely a chance that this just goes all the way back up and makes a new high again. Now, I have my Fibonacci retracement out here, and if it does turn down softly at a Fibonacci level, nice engulfing move to the downside, maybe it will continue the downtrend. Definitely seems like we should make a much bigger pullback, but we cannot deny that the higher time frames are still very strongly in an uptrend. And when the higher time frames are still very strongly in an uptrend, there's always a chance that it just continues the uptrend and doesn't really do anything except for make one, two, three-way pullbacks and continue the trend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.